So tumesema, what is this?
The wing.
That's the wing, yes.
That's the wing. This is
The engine.
the engine. Good. Sasa hapa kuna kogana two components hapa. Do you know what they are called?
Tuletwa kuinuka tukizima.
Uto.
Tuki nini hivi depending on Nituananga hapo kwa Jambo Jet. Sijui tuitwa.
Huku mbele kuna ailerons. Na huku nyuma kuna vitu zinaitwa flaps. Na hapa juu ya wing kuna vitu zinaitwa spoilers. Spoilers. Do you know what these are?
Okay.
Ebu nione vizuri. Ya dede alikuwa amesema horizontal
stabilizer.
Correct.
Yes.
Ni horizontal stabilizers. Naingia hapa nyuma. And this one?
Vertical stabilizer.
Vertical stabilizer. And the vertical stabilizer, there's a moving part here. What is the name of this moving part?
Detachable stabilizer. What does it do? Windbreaker?
No, it's responsible for steering. Which in aviation terms inaitwa yaw wing.
Your wing.
Yaw?
And this one is called the rudder. Hata boat inakuanga nayo.
The radar.
Rudder. Yeah.
Is it radar or radar?
Radar.
No, it's not radar. Radar ni ile air traffic control wanatumiaga.
The ones with the green lines.
That's radar. This is rudder. RUDDER. That other one is RADAR. Radar. This is radar.
Okay.
Yeah. Lastly, what do you call these?
Wheels.
What are those?
Are you able to see?
Yeah.
What do you call them?
Tuweka kwa mkono tuone.
Some hapa zinaka wheels.
Yeah, but you don't just call them wheels. These ones.
Hizi ni miguu za ndege.
Hizi. Zinaitangwa nini? Ziko na jina?
The Gina has wheels in it.
No. It has something that is used in a car.
A gear.
Yes.
Oh,
Landing
Yeah.
gear.
Landing gear.
Oh.
So these two landing gear. These ones is hapa nyuma, and this one for the front.
Parking. Is it parking? Parking.
Runway.
You don't.
Drop. Touch.
Part of a body. It's part of your body. It's part of your body.
Nose, face, mouth. Nose. Nose
Gear. Nose gear. Let me see them again.
There.
Okay.
Hiya, headline hitters incoming tomorrow. I have my props ready.
Have your props ready. Nice.
Chani assemble hapa mbio mbio.
Boeing 787.
Yes, otherwise known as something that you do when you sleep.
Snoring.
No.
Dreaming.
Dreamliner.
Correct.